Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay. It's raining today. Oh, why am I so happy that it's raining? Like, it's gloomy, but it's beautiful. And so I am at Walmart, you guys. I'm about to knock out some deals. Now, for my midweek, I think I have like, it's either 15 or 18 for 5. All right, so hopefully it'll be pretty easy. Of course, there's gonna be resets, because what is life without resets? That's amazing. And so definitely gonna have some resets. Definitely have a Google Doc if you guys want to follow along that way. The rain just sounds so beautiful. Other than that, what else? I can't think of anything else to add. I wanted to make this intro really quick. First, we cannot forget the formalities. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead, take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure that you smash the like button, support your girl. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss all the videos. So without further ado, let's get in this store and see what awesome deals we can grab today. This first deal I did mention in my video, the last video that I posted, it was a really quick deal. It's on the cauliflower dinners. They're priced at $7.98. You're gonna grab 2 of them. You'll pay $15.96, but you'll get back $7.98 on Ibotta for buying 2, and then $4 for each on checkout 51, making them both free plus a 2-cent moneymaker. Next thing I'm grabbing again is on the Nissan Firewalk, which is priced at $154. We're gonna grab 1 of them. We're getting back 75 cents on Ibotta, making it only 79 cents. And this next deal is on the Proper Good Soup. This deal is still going on. It's a nice little freebie, and like I said, the only one I've tried is a cream of chicken. I haven't tried any of the other ones yet, although I should, because you know I have a ton of them at home already. But these are priced at $5.98. You're gonna submit your receipt for the aisles, and you'll get that back, making it absolutely free. Now, you might still have the offer on Ibotta. I don't, and so if you do, it'll be a $1 moneymaker for you. So this deal here I got from Cynthia at Keep Calm Couponing. It's on the JoyRide Gummies. They are priced at $5.98. There is an aisles link that you guys can submit your receipt and get that back, making it absolutely free. The next thing I'm going to be grabbing is going to be on the Gatsby chocolate bars. I'll have a link for you guys on the aisles site. You're going to buy 1 and you're going to get it back, making it absolutely free. I was hoping to get the cookies and cream one. That's the only one I've tried, and I really like that. And I low-key don't want to try either of these because I'm not a big dark chocolate fan, but I guess if I had to choose one, I guess I would go with the almond dark. And so yeah, I feel like I've been doing this deal every time it resets because I really do think it's a good deal, and Josiah seems to love this soda, so I figured why not. It's on the Starry. This is the 6-packs are on rollback for $3.48. So you're gonna grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $6.96 and then get back $3.48 on Ibotta. Makes them $3.48 for 2 of them, are only 29 cents per bottle. I had a doozy finding this deal. It's over here like by like the powdered milk and coffee. It's on the Nestle Nestum. I saw Miss Tisa post this in her video. I think I've seen a few other people do it too. And so it's priced at $2.96. So we're gonna grab 1 of these. We'll be getting back $2 on Ibotta, making it only 66 cents. And so I figured I'll just start stocking up on these so that I can donate them in my next trip. And this next deal is on the Nestle Nido, the little yogurt pouches. They are priced at $1.48, and then you're going to get back 75 cents on Ibotta, making it only 73 cents. All right, so the next deal is on the Huggies wipes. This is on the Simply Clean ones. They are priced at $2.27. We're going to go ahead and grab 1 of them. We'll be getting back 25 cents on Ibotta. We'll also be getting back 50 cents on coupons.com as well as Alexa, making it only $1.02. So I decided to go ahead and scan these because I know at my other store they were on clearance. The top one right here, those are not even coming up on the app, so I'll probably check those up front, but these here are actually priced at the $174, and so these right here should be up there. They're priced at $174, and then you're gonna get back $125 on Ibotta, which is right there. It makes them only 49 cents each. You might actually still have the offer on Coupons.com, ShopMe, or Alexa. I've already used mine. So 49 cents is definitely not bad if you just need an extra rebate. But again, I'm gonna go ahead and check the price on these up front and see how much they are, because they might actually be even cheaper, because these are normally like 198, I want to say. And so I'll check these up front, and so I'll let you guys know at the end. So my next deal is going to be on the Dawn Power Wash. It's priced at $3.94. For this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll end up paying $7.88, but then getting back $3.99 for buying 2 on Ibotta. Makes it $3.89 for both of them, are only $1.94 each. Now you can also grab the gain. My store's been out of the gain, and I might low-key just check a different store. They're priced at $3.44, so 2 of them is going to cost you $6.88. Again, getting back $3.99 on Ibotta will make those only $1.44 each. The next deal I'm going to grab over here is on the Airwick Essential Mist. It's on the refills, the singles. They're priced at $5.98. So for this, you're going to go ahead and grab a total of 2 of them. You'll end up paying $11.96 out of pocket, but getting back $1.50 times 2 on Ibotta, and then $6 on coupons.com. It's also on Alexa as well as ShopMe as well, making $1.48 each. And so yeah, the last thing I'm going to grab on this aisle is on the Airwick Vibrant. These are priced at $6.98 for the double pack. You want to just grab 1 of them. You'll end up paying the $6.98 out of pocket, but you'll get back $4 on Ibotta as well as $4 on coupons.com. Now that offer is also on ShopMe and Alexa as well, making this $1.02 moneymaker. I'm grabbing the L'Oreal mascara again. This is just a really good, easy item, y'all. I'm price matching number 395 Carbon Black, using the $2.50 coupon, and then getting back, I want to say $2 on Ibotta. Makes it like 15 cents, I want to say. Let me double check. Let's double check. Lock it. I was like, oh, they locked them all up. I was just like, wow. There's locks on all of them. Every single one, they have locks on. But anyways, I'd rather it be locked up and in stock than not locked up and out of stock. Illegally out of stock. Yeah, let me see. I was double checking the price on this. So L'Oreal, we're price matching $365 using a $2.50 coupon from Save 305. Pay $2.15, get back $2. So yeah, 15 cents, not bad, huh? And then really quick, I'm also getting these again. This is a good one, little item too. They're $4.29 on clearance, $2 coupon, pay $2.29, get back $2. So I figure, hey, why not? So this next deal is on the Poise pads. They're priced at $5.46. For this, you want to grab 1 of them, and you'll be getting back $3 on Ibotta, and you'll also get back $1.50 on coupons.com. It's also on Alexa and ShopMe as well, making this a 54-cent moneymaker. This deal is on the Icy Hot Pro. I'm not gonna grab this deal, but I'm just sharing it. I think it's actually a pretty decent deal, but I'm not gonna grab it, at least not today. It is priced at $13.98. You'll get back $5 on Ibotta. You'll get back $2 on coupons.com as well as Alexa. And then there's a brand club survey for $1.60. It brings it down to $3.38, which I think is a really awesome price considering you're shaving off like $10. My next deal is on the Mega Red. It's priced at $9.88 for the 25 count. And then we have a $10 rebate on coupons.com. We also have it on Alexa and ShopMe as well. And so it'll make it a 12-cent moneymaker. So I'm probably going to just grab this on a separate transaction in hopes that it'll magically appear on Ibotta. Because, let me see, it expires on the 18th. And so, yeah, there's also printables as well from coupons.com if you want to go that route as well. I had the hardest time finding this Zarbees. I kept looking in all the wrong places. It's like right here on this aisle. So anyways, look, it's on the Zarbees. I actually got this deal from LA Savings, and it's on the Zarbees. They're priced at $7.98, and for this, we're gonna grab 3 of them. You'll end up paying $23.94 out of pocket, but you'll get back $3 for each on Ibotta. There's also $3 back on coupons.com, ShopMe, Alexa, and then there's also a Venmo PayPal rebate of $10 back for buying 3. So it'll make all 3 of them free plus a $4.06 moneymaker. So this next deal is on the Nariva Sleep Aid or Relax and Sleep. It's priced at $12.97. You're gonna grab 1. You'll get back $5 on Ibotta, $5 on coupons.com as well as Alexa. It's also on ShopMe as well, making this a $2.03 moneymaker. All right, guys. So the music was so loud right here. But this next deal is on the Axe. They are priced at $7.98. You're gonna grab one, getting back $3 on Ibotta, $1.75 on Fetch Reward, and $2.68 from Shopkick, making this a net cost of only 55 cents. This next deal is going to be on the Big Easy Rinse. It's priced at $6.92. We have a free offer on Ibotta, just popped up today, making it absolutely free. Now, I also checked it on coupons.com and it is matching. I'm getting back $2, making that a $2 moneymaker. And here is my haul for today. Everything worked out really, really good, y'all. I am not gonna lie. I didn't have a lot of coupons. I only had coupons on L'Oreal. And I haven't had any issues with Ibotta with L'Oreal. I know a few of you guys had asked me about that. It doesn't exclude coupons, but we know that don't mean really nothing. The offer doesn't exclude coupons. I've been using them. I've done that deal maybe 4 times already between the foundations and the mascara, and I haven't had any issues. I did mention the L'Oreal Mint Expert hair dye. I grabbed this, was it last haul or the haul before that? I found some more of this on clearance for $3, paid $6, got back $5 on Ibotta, and then also got back $6 on Shopmium. All right, and then the Holly hair color, those were $3, and I got back $3.50 on Ibotta. So those both ended up being free plus $1. I'm hoping that resets because the store that I got those from, they actually have quite a few of those. And then there's also a 10-cent any hair dye as well that applied. And so everything else, though, I think I went over. With the Zarbees, this one went straight through for me. When I submitted that, it went straight through, and I had to go to my Venmo. You can also do Amazon or PayPal. So that was really easy deal. But the greatest thing about that, you guys, is when I was submitting my receipt on coupons.com, I actually had double rebates on coupons.com, Shopmium, and Alexa. So I actually got back an extra $9 for that deal. So that deal ended up being like a $13, $14 moneymaker, which is just crazy. I did try to use a $10 coupon on the Mega Red. It did beep, did not go through. And so I went ahead and used the digital. I was trying to use a coupon because I was like, if I could save $10 at the register right here, right now, then I'd rather do that. And so coupon didn't scan, but I didn't really bother that much because I could submit that on, or at least I did submit that on Shopmium and got back the $10 anyways. Other than that, you guys, I think that's basically it with this haul. I got back everything as far as the JoyRide went through already, the Proper Good went through already, and the Gatsby went through. Now, with the Gatsby, when you guys use my link, I get $5 off or $5 back. And so I did those on 2 separate transactions and got back $5 for each. So they ended up being like $1.12 moneymaker for each one on those. I'm just hoping I can find more of the cookies and cream because I really like that one. And so, but yeah, other than that, you guys, what else? Oh, I didn't mention the Old Spice. I did this in my last video. This is on clearance for $174. It's been working for the rebate on Shopkick for $3.50. So I did get back $3.50 in points for each of those. And then other than that, y'all, that's it. So everything you see here retails $178.92. This is $10.24 in sales tax. I only had $9 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $169.92. And then we walk away with a whole boatload, like a whole entire boatload, y'all. From Ibotta, I got back $78.72. From Aisles was $30.98. I don't think the Zarbees is considered aisles. It's cart something, but I put it under aisles. Alexa was $27. Coupons.com was $25. Shopmium was $15. Checkout 51 was $8. And Shopkick was $6.88. Cashwalk, you guys know I use that walking app, and I was able to cash or redeem a $5 gift card, so I did include that as well since I'm just walking and yeah, I ain't doing nothing extra. I mean, I haven't even been doing surveys lately, to be honest. And so right now I'm kind of averaging 1 per month. And then Fetch was $175 for the Axe because I think it was like what, 2,500 kicks, which doesn't really convert to $2.50. It's like $1.75. So not as big a moneymaker on that deal, but nonetheless still a great deal. Correction, Shopmium was 22 back. And then Brand Club is $165. So I got back a total of $206.98, making everything you see here free plus a $37.06 moneymaker. And even after tax, we still made $26.82. Other than that, you guys, what is your favorite deal this week as far as Walmart? And I will leave it there. As far as our end of the video emoji, can I see a chocolate bar emoji in the comments? And I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching.